Before I say anything else, take a look at this Instagram page. Just 75 posts and over 92,000 followers. And this plant growth niche is absolutely exploding right now. Just look at the views. 1 million, 66 million, even 72 million views on individual posts. And the best part? Creating this type of content is actually much easier than you might think. You might be wondering, how are these videos made? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you. This entire type of content can be created using AI. First, you'll need my secret master prompt, which you'll find in the description or the pinned comment. Simply copy the entire prompt and open ChatGPT. Paste it into ChatGPT, hit enter, and it will generate 10 different plant ideas for you to choose from. For my first video, I selected option number 4, sunflower. As you can see, ChatGPT instantly generates a complete, detailed prompt for the sunflower growth video. Copy that prompt, then open Google Flow and start a new project. Go to the video section, choose your 9:16 aspect ratio, select 1x, choose the Omni Flash model, and set the duration to 10 seconds. Now paste your prompt into the prompt box and generate the video. And that's it. You can create a highly detailed, realistic plant growth video in just a few moments. But I didn't stop with one. I repeated the same process with different plant
I selected
ideas.
option 7 and created a chili video. And then I made another one featuring a watermelon. And as you can see, watching these plants grow from a tiny seed into a fully developed is incredibly satisfying. That's exactly what makes this type of content so addictive to watch. If you want to see more AI tutorials and content like this, hit the like button, subscribe to Nexulix AI, and let me know in the comments which plant I should create next. I'll see you in the next one.